How to monetize your YouTube channel faster as a beginner in 2021. 7. Top ways to make money on YouTube. In this video, you are going to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel faster as a beginner in 2021. I want to show you how you can make money on your YouTube channel even before you reach 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. I spent thousands of dollars on internet courses, trying this and that in the hope of learning what I now know on the internet. I believe you are struggling to get your first $1,000 on the internet. I feel obliged to help you achieve your goal, therefore, I am giving you facts I wish I knew before I started on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, "I subscribed," to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money-making programs on the internet. In this video I'm giving you 7 best proven ways you can use to monetize your videos. Feel free to apply the method you think will be the easiest and fastest to you. And in the comments please tell us your choice and briefly mention the reason why. Watch to the end to learn my most preferred strategy, which is number 7. Strategy number 1. AdSense. Get money from showing ads on your channel. You actually have the opportunity and in a smart way, to use your channel to acquire passive income, and so many YouTubers earn their income through this method. If you intend to monetize through AdSense, then you need to equip yourself with 1,000 subscriber count, and 4,000 watch time hours within the previous 12 months. For a beginner this may seem extremely difficult, because you are having a small number of videos on your channel, too little to attract those many subscribers first of all, and too few to accumulate the required watch hours. And of course you have the challenge of the learning curve to the YouTube business as a beginner. Secondly, you need to have thousands and thousands of viewers per month to earn just a few dollars through this strategy. However, I am going to show you how you can go around these hurdles to simplify the puzzle. First you must choose high CPM niche. That's a niche that offers a high pay for every 1,000 views. Good examples are health and fitness, make money online, technology, real estate and many others. Secondly, make videos longer than 10 minutes because the longer they are the more room you have to place ads. Thirdly, keep your videos on course and able to keep people interested throughout the video for a longer watch time percentage. This will accumulate your watch hours very fast. Finally, link up your videos to one another to keep viewers on your channel for a longer period. I have just given you in brief how you can monetize your channel faster, because I don't want the video to be too long, but to get a detailed video about it, check for the video in the playlist, link in the description. Strategy number 2. Upload more and more videos. To succeed in earning money through AdSense, you must upload a lot, and I mean a lot of videos. This is because you need a lot of views. Depending on the niche, YouTube may pay you from $2 to $10 for every 1,000 views on your channel. To achieve a sizable amount of money you need to choose a niche that has many advertisers, because they will pay you and YouTube for creating an opportunity for their products to be promoted. So, you have no shortcut to this challenge. Just upload videos, as many as you can. As mentioned before, a few niches have a higher CPM than others. Get my confirmed list of high CPM niches at the end of the video. Strategy number 3. Selling your own product. Create and publish a product to sell. If there is value in something, then there is a market for it. So, just ask yourself what product you can produce. All you need to do here is produce something. However, you will be at an advantage if you produce a digital product as opposed to a physical product that requires packaging and shipping. It could be a book, for example a Kindle book, a software, or a video tutorial in a niche where you command authority. Remember you know something better than so many other people, and they would probably want to learn from you. The challenge with this strategy is that you need to have enough expertise to produce a marketable product, and also set up an affiliate system to market it. Strategy number 4. Marketing your services on YouTube. You could promote services your business offers to the public. These may be carpentry, plumbing, electricity wiring, electronics repairs and so many others. People everywhere need your assistance and search YouTube for your service. You can easily rank number 1 for your specific service in your area. Strategy number 5. Brand deals. You can create videos for companies and brands for a payment. Many companies or manufacturers produce products which they place on market. So they need people to review them to create awareness and a positive image of their products. If you can do this successfully for one company, you can use this as a reference to apply to many others. Strategy number 6. Consultancy services. As a professional or an expert in a skill, you have an opportunity to offer consultancy services online. Many people are searching for knowledge and may be willing to pay you well for your knowledge and ability to solve their problem. Some people actually prefer a one-on-one coaching, and if you have the time, you fit in very well. Now, before I reveal to you my most preferred strategy, I want to reveal the purpose of this channel. Our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free, so that you can make money on YouTube. Therefore, for more ideas on making money on the internet, click subscribe and thumbs up to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. So, let us continue. Strategy number 7. Affiliate marketing. Sell other people's products on your channel for a stated commission. Do you realize that you have gone through a lot of trouble to set up a channel and compile those videos which have started bringing you viewers and subscribers? These are people interested in what you are offering. Now how about suggesting to them a few well-selected products from sites like ClickBank, Digstore24, Amazon, and many others. For best results, start with digital products like courses and ebooks, and software, which do not require you to package and ship anything. The superb advantage is that you just select a profitable affiliate product from so many and start getting a commission from it. You may earn up to 50% commission of the sales price. So all you need to do is go to these affiliate marketing channels, register for free, find best-selling products in your niche, look through their sales page, select one good product, get the affiliate link and place it in the video description of your videos. For best results, if you are promoting a product from ClickBank for example, look for a high gravity, which is the number of sales per month of that product. If you check on ClickBank, you will find products with a gravity count of up to 200 or more. However, a product with a gravity above 50 is good enough, especially if the product has an opportunity for recurring earnings. For the list of high CPM niches, find the video in the playlist, link in the description. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can monetize your channel faster, even as a beginner. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.